Good day to everybody out there in Facebook world or wherever you are. I hope you're staying safe, being careful, and reflecting on all that's going on. Just wanted to share with you my garden. This has been my saving grace to keep me from stressing so much, trying not to think about things that I have another choice but to. So, this is my fountain area. Got some wildflowers growing, all different kinds. The birds actually drop these seeds from the bird feeder. And so since then I haven't put any food out because they're growing stuff everywhere, but I decided to let it grow wild and it looks really nice. I'm enjoying that. Give me that nice look. So here I got a bell pepper. Where are you guys? Okay, here he is right here. A couple of them here. Got a couple of beet plants. Not much, but just enough to see what's happening here. Oh, and here's my prize right here. This is a giant zucchini. This guy right here. Oh my, look at it, look how big it is. And it's heavy too. And he has a sister growing up here and a couple of more here. So zucchini is doing great. Here I got my grapevine. I ran it up a little bit so that it can wrap around my grapes. I got blueberries, raspberries over here also. This is okra, and this girl is starting to really fill out also. These are snap peas, and I got some baby watermelons growing right here. I'm so excited. I mean, just to see these things growing and watch them take maturity after a seed. And it's just amazing just to see what sunlight, a little bit of care, and a seed from God will do. This is my example of urban gardening because I have a pretty good sized yard. It's more thin and long than wide. That's seems to be what they're doing in the city now. But it works well. And with the fence I have, keep all the pests and stuff out, because I hear stories about rabbits eating all your stuff. But these are zucchini squash, if I'm not mistaken, or pumpkin squash or something like that. All these seeds are actually from 2014, because when I was reading, here's another girl over here. When I was reading about planting gardening, it was saying if you have organic seeds to save them, because that's going to be kind of hard to get. So yeah, so here's that part, and the roses are doing really well. Did have some little bit of infestation here, but I've been using a little bit of dishwashing liquid, which is not harmful to them. A friend of mine told me about it, and it's getting rid of it. And over here I have some mint, and I'm getting ready to take her up because I know that she take a lot of territory, so I'm going to replant that one. My lettuce is growing good. These right here are eggplants and strawberries and some more herbs. I got oregano, thyme, and this is what is this, y'all? This is sage. And these guys right here, I'm not sure about these. I thought they were cucumbers at first. If anybody know what it is, please tell me, because they are looking so cute. And I brought them up a bit because I don't want them, like all over the yard yet. So I've been kind of pruning them, and got about 4 of these little things here. Of course, this is my cilantro. Then I got some yellow peppers. Yellow peppers growing. They're doing good. Oh, these pickles, man. These banana pickles, they are really blossoming. And this is a cousin. These are actually the green pickles. Well, peppers, I mean, banana peppers and other peppers. Rosemary is growing really good. Me and the cilantro have been having a little bit of time at it, but I would just cut some of the stuff back and she'll grow. The lavender, I'm ready to move this because my tomato plant, Miss Tomato, she just took over everything. Look at her. She just loved to spread out. But I got some really, really good stuff here. What is this right here on that? That look like that's not going to be good. That's a defect. But all in all, I got some rich, healthy tomatoes. And the strange thing about it is the cherry tomatoes are growing from the same yield. So I thought they were all going to be cherry tomatoes. But these guys got a mind of their own now. I've tied these up also. I've been tying my plants up because I want a bit of a controlled environment. But like these guys right here, they're starting to crawl out. That's what I want. These guys are starting to crawl out. I want that too because I wanted to still have that outside, a little bit of a wildness about it, but still wanted to be a bit controlled. So it's been good eating from the garden, and it seems like it makes your food taste so much better. And you see here, I just put some lemon, mint, rosemary, and lavender here to make a tea. I call it my sunshine tea. Another nice herbal remedy. And the flowers, oh yeah, the flowers are doing really good also. Say hi, guys. Hi, flowers. Hello, 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 hello. These guys are doing good too. These are supposed to, when it get too hot, they don't like it. Wintertime, they're really good because they give you color. Then my flower bed over here. And one of my favorite things is taking these vines and letting them grow up and stringing them and see just how far they go. It's interesting because you're guiding it, you're pruning it. It's like babies, little babies. Because I don't have no dogs or cats or kids around, I guess these are my kids here. But I'm just so thankful. It's just such a blessing to be able to watch this thing grow. And this vine right here, this is a 3rd generation vine. A friend of mine gave to me. Shout out to Susan Barner from VCU. So these guys are starting to grow now, and I've strung them so it can go up here and here and just have a good time. So this was my summer project, and as you can see, I must have had a lot of time on my hands. But yeah, and the tent, of course, the tent. Get out here and cut some grass. So this is my last part. I'm going to pave this right here, some things over here, because I don't think I can do anything else. Oh, and I got sunflowers growing, sunflowers. The birds dropped them, and I'm replanting them in different places. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. It's a hot day out here, 90 degrees. I'm getting ready to go out and paint a mural project. Got to finish one for a very good friend of mine. She's been waiting for a long time, and this thing has just held everything up. But I'm committed. This is what we do as artists. We, the artists of Richmond, are committed to showing beauty, love, and brighter things. A lot of good projects are coming your way. Shout out to Hamilton Glass, my brother in art. He's doing so many wonderful things for our community, and everybody else as well. All of y'all guys, Ed, Nico, David, Bar, Culture Works, everybody is just being so fantastic throughout these trying times. I love this city. I love the camaraderie. So I'm here. I'm dedicated. Let's make beauty. Let's make art. Let's make love.